Today, I'm taking you to one of the most historic and peaceful waterways in the world, the Grand Canal of Suzhou. This is our journey into a place where ancient China still whispers through water, bridges, and stone walls. Today, we are exploring the Grand Canal in Suzhou, a city often called the Venice of the East. As my boat slowly glides through the canal, the first thing I notice is the calmness. The water reflects little houses, stone bridges, and narrow laneways that have stood here for hundreds of years. Unlike the high-speed modern China we see in big cities, Suzhou feels like time decided to take a slower breath here. The Grand Canal itself is a masterpiece. It's the longest and oldest man-made canal in the world, stretching almost 1,800 kilometers, connecting Beijing in the north to Hangzhou in the south. Built over 2,500 years ago, it carried rice, silk, and people for centuries. And even today, it continues to flow quietly, holding stories from many dynasties. As we move further, you'll see the whitewashed houses with black tiled roofs, a classic Suzhou style. Families have lived here for generations. Some of the windows are open, and you can hear them cooking, laughing, or having tea. Life beside the canal has its own rhythm, slow, gentle, and beautifully simple. We pass under small stone bridges, many of them built during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Each bridge has a name, and each one has watched thousands of boats pass beneath it. When the boat crosses under these low arches, there's a soft echo, like the canal is softly humming its ancient tune. Suzhou is also famous for its silk, and boats like these once carried rolls of precious silk to trading ports. Imagine the canal centuries ago, busy, colourful, and lively. Today it is peaceful, but the history still feels alive in the air. Many travelers come to Suzhou for its classical gardens, But riding a boat on the Grand Canal shows a different side of the city. A side that is humble, historic, and full of stories. This canal connected the entire country for centuries. It helped emperors, traders, farmers, and travelers. And today, it simply offers peace to anyone who floats along its waters. As our boat ride comes to an end, I feel grateful that places like this still exist. Places that remind us to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty of ordinary life. Suzhou's Grand Canal is not just a waterway. It is a living museum of Chinese culture. Thank you for traveling with me through this peaceful journey. Let the calmness of the Grand Canal stay with you today and carry you softly through whatever comes next.